Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unpackage and review a cable from Chubby, also called the Chubby Gamer. Now this isn't a comment on gamers and what their physical appearance is like, it's more of a reference to the Chubby cable that we're about to review. So let's open the bag. It's a nice soft touch bag, and in this case the Chubby Gamer that we've been sent for review by Chubby Cable is bright orange. This is definitely something that catches your eye. This cable is available in not just USB-A to Lightning, but you can also get USB-A to USB Type-C, you can get USB Type-C to USB Type-C, and micro USB. This is a cable that is available also in two different lengths, 1 meter and 1.5 meter, and you can also choose the color. There's quite a wide array of colors, both in terms of bright ones and less bright ones. And the key feature of this cable is that it is swivelable, as in you can swivel the cable left to right and hold your phone in a manner that's more ergonomic to your gaming needs. So this is something that phone gamers, people who play games like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact and others, they will be playing their games for long periods of time, and they want to be able to charge as they play. So a good way to solve this problem. Now what I'll do is link in the description to where you can purchase this Chubby cable. As I said, this is a review cable sent to us by Chubby Cable and chubbycable.com. And as well as the link in the description, Chubby Cable have given Tech Travel Geeks viewers an exclusive discount code. So if you enter the code TTG, that's capital D, T, capital T, capital G, at checkout, you'll get 10% off your purchase of any Chubby Cable product. So do that, and as usual, with any affiliate links, you will be supporting Tech Travel Geeks. Right, we've taken the cable out of its bag. Let's undo it and have a look at things. So in this case, you have what is a soft pleather loop here that holds the cable. It's great for tidying it and packing your cable away when you're traveling or you just want to tidy it away. So a really good solution here. And I'm going to take the USB-A side and pop that into my VoltMe 140 watt charger. And once that's done, we see that the Chubby Gamer cable, this is the Chubby Gamer cable, lights up. It's got little LED lights. It's adorable. So if you're a gamer and you're into your LED lighting, this is definitely a cable for you. But let's see the most important thing that this cable is all about. I'm going to take my iPhone 14 Pro, and because this is a Lightning connector here, it's Lightning, not USB Type-C, this will work with all iPhones from the 14 series backwards. Just a word of warning, if you have an iPhone 15 series, such as the one we've recently unboxed and produced content of here on the Tech Travel Geeks, you will need a USB Type-C cable, and the Chubby Gamer cable does come in that format. Anyway, USB-A to Lightning, let's plug that in. Oh, I'm getting a little bit of vibration from the iPhone 14 Pro, and let's just switch off. Yes, it's charging. You can see that it's got the little Lightning icon and it's charging. So the phone is at 18%. So let's just double check that in settings. I'm going to go to battery. Yes, the phone is now charging. Everything is as expected. Now, if we look at the cable itself, it's nice and solid. It doesn't wobble in the Lightning port. And we have that swivel action from the Chubby Gamer cable. This is the key feature of this cable, is that if, for example, you're sitting and watching content such as a Tech Travel Geeks YouTube video on your iPhone or on your smartphone, and you want to have the cable out of the way for holding it in your hand, or you want to have it just at the side like this, you can do so. It's a good way of handling it. So what I'm going to do now is go away and use this for a significant amount of time, once I've done so, and I've been using it for long periods of time, I will get back to you with my review of the cable. Obviously for you it will be a few seconds at most, but if an ad does come up, please do watch that. You will be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks by doing so. Right, I'll be back soon. Okay then, so I'm back, and after about a month of using the Chubby Gamer cable, the Chubby Gamer cable from Chubby Cable, I have to say it works great. It's nice and sturdy, it doesn't seem to flex that much. It charges my iPhone 14 Pro great, especially when playing games like Call of Duty Mobile for long periods of time. And I particularly like that LED lighting at the bottom of the device. It really does make the cable stand out. Not just the lovely silicone finish and coloured cable, but also that LED light really makes it stand out in my living room. So all in all, I can recommend this Chubby Gamer cable, which Chubby Cable sent us for review. As usual, we'll link in the description to where you can purchase the Chubby Gamer cable. And don't forget to use our exclusive discount code, TTG, that's capital T, capital T, capital G, which will give you 10% off any purchases from chubbycable.com. So I'll just say that again to make sure you get the message. It's TTG, that's capital T, capital T, capital G, to get 10% off your order. Anyway, thanks to Chubby Cable for sending us this review cable of the Chubby Gamer cable. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything else we think makes the travel experience better. And more importantly, if you have any questions, please do leave us a comment in the section below, and we'll do our best to get back to you. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from us.